Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Insert the micro SD into the adapter so the gold contacts match. Make sure the lock switch is not engaged. Next, plug the adapter into the PC's card reader or a USB adapter. This is why adapters exist, to translate tiny cards into standard ports. Once connected, watch the system tray. The OS should mount a removable drive and assign a letter. If it mounts quickly, you're ready to access files. If not, keep watching for the next checks. You now open File Explorer or Finder and find the drive letter assigned to the adapter. This is how you access the card. Copy or move files. Use XFAT when you need cross-platform support and large file sizes. Choose FAT32 only for legacy devices. If the drive is missing, open Disk Management to assign a drive letter or to format the card. Formatting erases data, so confirm backups first. While transferring, monitor progress bars. Interrupted writes can corrupt the card, so be patient and avoid unplugging. You finish by using the system's Safely Remove or Eject feature before pulling the adapter. This ensures all cached writes complete and prevents corruption. Then verify the transferred files open normally and check free space to confirm the operation. If the card doesn't appear, try a different card reader or USB port. Sometimes cheap adapters fail. Also inspect the adapter's lock switch and update your PC's USB or card reader drivers. If that still fails, test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.